Desktop PC build. Thank you, Sir Joshua, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. This build is functional and suitable for entry-level to mid-range tasks, including casual gaming and basic productivity. The AMD Ryzen 500-3500 is a capable 6-core processor paired with 16 gigabytes of dual-channel Kingston Fury Beast DDR4 RAM at 3,200 MHz, which is optimal for Ryzen and CPUs. The Lexer 1TB M.2NVMe SSD ensures fast storage performance, while the BioStar GTX 1050T GPU is adequate for light 1080p gaming. Medium to low settings. The MSI A520 motherboard provides basic functionality but lacks features like overclocking and robust upgrade options. The TechWare Neo M2 Mini Tower offers good airflow with included fans, and the AMD stock cooler is sufficient for this CPU in stock conditions. Convert the PSU brand. Yoho X-Stack should be evaluated for reliability, as a poor quality PSU can compromise system stability if the budget allows upgrading the GPU to a newer model, like a GTX 1650 Super or RX 60500 XT, and choosing a more reliable PSU from brands like Corsair, Seasonic, or EVGA is recommended. For better future-proofing, consider upgrading to a motherboard with a B450 or B550 chipset and opting for a CPU with additional threads, such as the Ryzen 53600 or Ryzen 55600. While this build is functional as is, these adjustments would enhance performance and system longevity. Desktop PC build is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your desktop built too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.